Starting off with this more grungy look here, I am wearing these faux leather shorts, originally from H&M. I bought them on clearance, and these knee highs also from H&M, purchased on clearance a few years ago now, so these probably aren't available, but they're pretty universal, and they're things that are usually on sale. The vintage Dooney was purchased from a Salvation Army in my area, and the cardigan that you're looking at is from a store called Love Culture. The fishnets are, I'm pretty sure they're from Target originally, but again, you can get fishnets anywhere, Amazon, Walmart. They're not special, so these are just a small knit. These shoes are originally from Shein.com. I, however, found them at the thrift for, I believe it was $16. And here's another wonderful shot of these tights. The shirt is from a awesome vintage store in my area. I love this shirt so much. It's actually a shirt dress, and the ring that you're looking at is actually a DIY that I did. It's just a moon ring. He's got a little face there. He's super cute. And I've got a moon necklace to boot. That's from Etsy. This wonderful shot, courtesy of the same parking lot. I've got my David Bowie shirt on here, also thrifted, and my little bike shorts from Forever 21. These boots are actually from Amazon quite a few years ago. I will link them if they're still available. Probably not, but these earrings were also found at a vintage shop, not a thrift store, ironically. This outfit I actually wore like a year ago. I apologize. This one is just extra footage to beef up the video. I'm not even gonna lie. The shirt is thrifted. The pants are from Lulu's. I got the blazer thrifted as well, and the hat is, I believe, from Wilson's Leather, and the shoes are just some loafers that I thrifted ages ago. So most of this is thrifted, and this was all purchased a year ago, and oh my god, I'm wearing AirPods in this footage. I hate myself. This was something I went out specifically because I saw these trees had bloomed in my area. I have a little nature walk area. It's not really a nature walk, it's just nature. But I went in and I took some photos by it. The shirt is from the clearance section at Target. It's just this floral millennial pink silk number here. I've got this thrifted tan hat along with these thrifted suede trousers, and this belt that I found at, it was Lord & Taylor as it was going out of business. I believe it's by Rebecca Minkoff. I believe so. I'll double check that. I will put text on the screen if it's not that. And then I'm just wearing some Forever 21 brown booties. They're faux suede. And here is what I have been wearing most of my days when it's not, let's be honest, not, what would I say, photographable? I don't know, photogenic, when I'm not looking exactly photogenic in my stained sweats and paint-covered shirts. I am trying to wear nicer loungewear that just is comfortable and is cute, and it still makes me feel like a human being when I'm wearing it. This set is by the brand Thread Supply. I really love their nightwear. I'm actually planning on doing a whole video on the loungewear that I've been wearing during quarantine, so I don't want to get too much into it, but I love this set, and I'm just munching on some popcorn here. This was actually right before I started editing this video, so you're getting the me right before I edit this. So that's what I'm looking like while I'm sitting down to edit. Only I no longer have my popcorn, which makes me a little sad. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!